Hi guys, my name is Sushmita G. Reddy. I just finished my final year MBBS from Mysore Medical College and Research Institute. So today, I'm going to give you the tips for the NEET UG examination. Whatever happens, let it be whatever. Till today, you are thinking, procrastinating, whatever you did, that's fine. That's literally fine because each and everyone does it. But in the last 10 days, what you do matters a lot. So you have to focus on yourself because if you don't focus on yourself, you can't do anything, literally anything. So you have to focus on yourself. I know this is possible. I know because I came through the same phase. It might be a harsh talk, but this is the reality. The person who got less marks previous time will score more than you, literally more than you, because I have the experience. I scored. I was a topper in my mock test. Literally, I got some 640 or something. Then one of my friend, he got 600. So I was the topper, but I had overconfidence. I know मुझे सब कुछ आता है, एला भरतनंगे, like that. But now this is your chance. Then what I did? At last he got 640 and I got 620. Whose loss it is? It's your loss. Everything can be changed in last 10 days because I had panic attacks. Yes, you heard me right. I had panic attacks because I was in a pressure that I have to score well, I have to do well. I mean, my parents didn't give me that pressure, but I had that inner pressure. I have to score well. Please don't have that pressure. This 10 days is going to be the golden days. If you do this 10 days properly, I am giving you 100% guarantee. You can do it. You believe me. I will give you 10 days, 10 videos continuously. I'm gonna put you. Whatever I can do, I will do it for you. I know you people think, why is this girl overreacting, exaggerating? No, yes, you can do it. It's your responsibility. If something goes wrong, it's because of you. If something is going right, it's because of you. Don't blame the government. I know, bro. I know. It happens. Government did a mess up. That's fine. No problem. But the thing is, you have to do it now. If you don't do it now, you can't. Just think about yourself. You becoming a doctor, you serving others. This is not happening for you. It's happening for everyone. It's literally happening for everyone. You can do it. 10 days, I'm telling you, you have to start revising. If you revise properly, you can score more than the last time. You just think this is a second opportunity that I can score. Okay, let me think you have scored some 640 something and or 650 something, and next time, that this 21st, you're scoring 670, 680. So I'll give you the tips from for top 5 tips I'm going to give you. This is my first video. I know it will be awkward, but I'm doing it. I am doing it because of you people. Because what mistakes I did in last 10 days, I don't want you people to do. I don't want you people to repeat. You have to do it and you can do it. I am exaggerating it so much. I am very angry. I am angry on myself because in which situation I am, you are also in the same situation. If you want to come out of this, you have to work out in this 10 days. These 10 days are not hard work, it's a smart work. I know it's a hard work, but hard work is 90%, smart work is 10%. That's gonna work you out. Not only just hard work, you have to think properly. So first of all, I'm going to tell you the routine, what I followed in the last 10 days. So 10 days, first of all, first day, like what mistakes I did and what you should not do. So I was very tensed. Randomly, I used to study. Now, this 10 days, first point, wake up early in the morning. You have to wake up at 6 o'clock. You have to wake up at max to max 6 o'clock. Try to wake up at like 4 o'clock. Don't want 4 o'clock, don't want. Only 5 o'clock. Maximum 5 to 6 you have to wake up. And after you waking up, you just do meditation. Meditation is important. You think meditation is not important? क्या क्या होता है 10 मिनट का मेडिटेशन में? भाई बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. Bro, literally I am telling, it can change you. The other person, same. Even you will read the same, even I will read the same. But at that time, you have to remember, right? That is important. And for that, meditation helps a lot. So first 10 minutes, let us do the meditation. Then you have to revise. What you have to revise? You have made the short notes, like in one page, one chapter should be there, like chemistry, physics, and biology. So bio though you can't do like that, but chemistry and physics is important. Like physics in one chapter, in one page, complete chapter you have to finish. Physics, like all the formulas, what mistakes you're doing. So you have to revise it. 1 hour for half an hour for physics, half an hour for chemistry, and 1 hour for bio. You have to revise bio also because so much is there to remember. So 1 hour you finished your biology. Then what you have to do? Like, you people will ask me, how can I revise in 1 hour? Bro, you have read it for 1.5 years and you don't think you can't revise it in 1 hour. You can revise it in 1 hour. Just flip the pages. I'm not telling you, you have to, I'm telling two memories are there. One is photogenic memory. Other one is normal wala memory. So photogenic memory is like 0.1% more better than normal memory. So you have to have this photogenic memory when you revise multiple times. See, I'm telling, question practicing is important. I'll come to that. But revision is also important. Okay. So next, let us start about the question practice. So question practice, how should I start? So you have to do like previous year papers, because NEET is so very basic, bacho. I'm literally telling NEET is basics. You come to MBBS, so much will be there to revise, and you'll have only one day you have to revise completely. Medicine is so vast. Surgery is so vast. Ops and gynae is so vast. I know everything is going beyond your head, but now at the present, you are giving me your time, in the sense I have to give you 100%. So I'll just tell you, I know I will be blabbering something, I know I'll be stumbling, but this is my first video, but I don't know how to speak. But I guarantee you, if you do this routine 100%, you can succeed. I just want you to do this routine. Okay, let's start now. Next, second point is you have to start revising the question papers. So how can you start revising the question paper? So first 2 slots you should make. First slot, your exam ka slot is from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. That slot you have to solve one paper. And morning ka slot from 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. Morning ka one slot you should give. One slot you give, one question paper you solve, and 8 to 9, 9 to 10. 10 to 11, you think you should solve for 3 hours? No, this is the biggest mistake I ever made. You should not solve it in 3 hours. You have to solve it in 2.5 hours. Yes, you heard me right. You have to solve it in 2.5 hours, because so much of your time will be wasted. The invigilator will come, he'll tell, sign karo ji, sign here please. So much time. You have to fill the OMR sheet. They will not give you time there. The thing is, you have to solve the paper in 2.5 hours to 2 hours. 2 hours is also more than enough to solve the paper, because you have finished your exam and you think you can't solve the paper in 2 hours. You should solve the paper in 2 hours. And I have the confidence you people will solve it. You have to change your mindset. First 5 days will be difficult, but the next 5 days will be very easy. Okay. So, fine. 8 to 9, 9 to 10. 10 to 11, why I am giving you is, you have to correct the paper by yourself only 11. Okay? So fine, this is okay. Then you will have, so there are 2 options. One is, you can do it in government wala app. That NEET app is there for government. If you want, you just comment me. I'll just share you the description I'll just give you the link of that app. And then I have made some short notes, like in 1 page complete chapter ka short notes, and I have some Telegram things, like that Telegram apps. I have apps also, and I have Telegram files also. So I'll share that files also with you people. Okay, then you did this. So point 2, you solved the question, and third most important point after solving the question is, you have to recheck it. See, I'm giving you the slot. What is the slot? You finished it from 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. 11 tak sab kuch ho gaya. You finished it. Okay. So you finished correcting the paper. You finished. See, maximum you have made some 20 mistakes. Max to max, I'm telling. Now, excuse me. Now you should make just 10 mistakes. 10 to 5 mistakes. Okay. You made 20 mistakes. That's fine. You made 20 mistakes. And then what you have to do is, you have to revise what mistakes you made. You have to revise those mistakes. Yes, okay, you have to revise the mistakes, what mistakes you have made. So you revised it, and then 11 is over, right? 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 2 hours I'm giving you the break. Then 1, so you should have your lunch. This is the most important point where people ignore. You have to have your lunch by 11:30 to 12, because 2 hours your stomach should be empty, then you can perform maximum. Okay, so you had your lunch. What lunch you should have is also important for the next 10 days. These 10 days are very important, because these 10 days, if you don't maintain your diet, it's gone. The 1.5 year what you have wasted is gone. So you should have your diet. What diet you should have? You should have 1 egg, just 1 egg. Then you should have nice vegetables. Carrot you should have. Then you should have nice fruits, like you can have watermelon, then you can have banana is rich in potassium. See, I'm telling each and everything. I'm telling the routine for the 10 days. If you follow this routine, at least you'll get 20-30 marks extra what you were getting before. Just think about it. These extra things, I'm telling, smart work for the NEET, not hard work. Hard work is important, right? Hard work too important, but smart work also important. Okay, so you did this. After you do this, then what you have to do is, then the second slot. Between these, you should think like 2 hours are there now, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. These 3 hours, you have to think you're going for the NEET exam. Yes, you have to handle the panic attacks. You heard me right. You have to handle the panic attacks. You have to handle the stress, the tension, everything. Because if you don't handle this, then you can't. You have to handle it. And I have confidence you people can handle it. 1 or 2 days might be difficult. You have to think subconsciously. So your subconscious mind is very important. These tips, these things, no one taught me. I didn't have the guidance. Guidance. I didn't have the guidance, because I didn't have any of my cousins doing seniors. I was not close to them. I was an introvert. So yeah, so I am giving you the tips because what mistakes I did, you should not do. Subconscious mind works magic. So you have to think for 5 minutes. Sit down, close your eyes for 5 minutes and think that I went to the NEET examination hall, the same examination hall where you went there. You had experience, right? So you recreate the experience. So if you recreate the experience, then it's fine. It's more than enough. You recreated the experience. After recreating the experience, you think, I went to the hall, wrote exam, 5 minutes, and then you start again the next shift from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Do meditation. Yeah, I'm not telling 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, don't do meditation. So do meditation from like just 10 minutes before you go there. Like you think you go at 1:45, you should actually go inside by 1:45 you go. Okay, fine, you go at 1:45 and you start doing meditation. Otherwise, you can sit in the car, sit outside, stand outside, just close your eyes, Hanuman Chalis. Just listen to Hanuman Chalis. I literally, when I was revising, I listened to Hanuman Chalis. These 10 days, you have to listen Hanuman Chalisa. Morning also you have to do Hanuman Chalisa. As soon as you get up, you have to bath, you have to do meditation, you have to work out. You have to recite Hanuman Chalisa. Very important. I used to believe in Shivji. So Shiv Tandav ka do. Sorry, I'm very excited to tell you people. This is my first video and I'm blabbering something. I'm sorry actually. Okay, fine. So Shivji ka jo shrotra hai, you have to listen to it, or you can recite it. If you know, you can recite it, but Hanuman Chalisa is must, because this works. And then 5 o'clock you just finished it. What you have to have 5 o'clock, you have to have a water. Half liter of water is very important. You have to stay hydrated. Half liter of water you had, and after that you had dry fruits. Then what you have to do, you have to, for half an hour, go for a walk. First thing, for half an hour. Second thing, hit the gym if you want, like slow workouts. Not telling that kind of thing. Slow workouts. Or you can do Surya Namaskar. This is enough. This is more than enough. Then what you have to do? Then from 5:30 5:30 to 6:30, 6:30 to 7:30, 7:30 to 8:30. So these 3 hours, revise. What mistake you did, revise. Next time you should not repeat the mistakes, and revise your that what mistakes you did. Cover notebook you have made, na? Revise that notebook. See, I'm not going to edit this. I'm just going to put this video raw. No editing, nothing. If you want, you can watch. It's left to you. If you don't want, don't watch. I can't tell anything. It's your loss. What experience I have, I just said you people. And I have confidence. If you follow this routine, pakka you will score 670, because 3 aspects I have covered. One is spiritual aspect. Second, mentally you can be fit. Physically you can be fit, because now if you get cold, no. See, I'm telling you, 1% luck is there. God is there, because everyone will be in the same level. The balance is this. This is the real balance. If you don't do this, I don't know. It's in your hand. If you want, you can do it. I'll daily. I'm gonna post videos from today till I might get my results next week. Yeah, let us see. Before 20, I might get my results, and I have to go and I have to report there. So yeah, I'll be with you people. Stay with you while sleeping. Don't forget to relax. So night dinner, I'm going to tell you. For night dinner, have egg. Have egg. Have rice. Have curd rice. Important. Curd rice is important for your gut health. Okay? And you will get nice sleep also night. They'll tell in Ayurvedic night you should not eat curd. You have to eat curd. You will get nice sleep in night. You will have a sound sleep. So have curd rice. Okay? Curd rice. Have fruits. Have a bowl full of fruits, dry fruits. If you want, I can make a daily vlogs also, like how I am motivated. I will start a motivation also for you guys. I'll give you daily I'll give you tricks. So please do subscribe. I will not tell you people to like, share. I'm telling this you people to subscribe, because I'm a new girl. I'm a fresh girl. I just finished my final year MBBS. You have come till here to watch my video. That's my greatest blessing. I'm very, very thankful for you. You have come till here. My blessing is there. You will definitely score 680. I'm telling you, competition is going to be very, very hard. You are going to face hard competition. Competition tough है. अगर competition tough है, तो हमें भी tough रहना पड़ेगा. See, you can do it. Have confidence on yourself. I have confidence on yourself. You should also fucking have confidence on yourself. Because yes, I believe in myself, in you people also. It might be lengthy. I'm not gonna edit this. This is gonna be raw content. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. I will teach you. If I want, I'll start teaching classes also. If you people want any one comment, guys, one comment. Literally, I'm telling you, if one comment, I can give my life for them. Literally, I'm telling. I can teach. People can ask, how will you teach? I have iPad. I can teach you people. Pakka, 100%. We can crack this. Let's go.